Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can withdraw Coinmarketcap diamonds. To do that, first go to your Google and search Coinmarketcap. Here click on this link and log into your account. After logging in, go to this right top corner icon and click on portfolio. Here you will see all your assets. To see how many diamonds you have, click on this diamond icon. And here they will show your total amount of diamonds. Now to use these diamonds, you can go to these diamond rewards, and from here you can redeem any prize with the help of these diamonds. And this is how you can redeem or withdraw any gift from your diamonds in CoinMarketCap. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.